14 free cloud storages in 2021. I have listed down list of 14 best cloud storage services. Just stay with me. In this video, I will give you overview of all the best cloud storage services in 2021. At number 1, we have Digo. Digo is a cloud storage application that allows us to save our data with complete security on cloud space. It automatically synchronizes our data across multiple devices. That means we can easily back up our data on mobile phones and PC. Digo provides us 100 GB of free cloud storage, and it is one of the best cloud storage in the market. Link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 2, we have Mega. Mega or Mega.io is a cloud storage and file hosting service offered by Mega Limited, a company based in Auckland, New Zealand. The service is offered primarily through web-based apps. Mega mobile apps are also available for Android and iOS. Mega is known for its large 50 GB storage allocation for free accounts. Link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 3, we have Internext. Internext Drive is a zero-knowledge file storage service that is based on absolute privacy and uncompromising security. Your uploaded files are client-side encrypted and then fragmented into small pieces. Only you hold your decryption key, which retrieves your fragmented files. Internext provides 20 GB of cloud storage for free. Link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 4, we have Blomp. Blomp offers cloud storage space from 200 GB to 10 TB. Sign up and save your photos and videos on free cloud storage for Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, and mobile apps. Add 20 GB for every friend who joins, which means whenever your friend will join this cloud storage service through your link, you will get 20 GB cloud storage more for free. Link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 5, we have G Drive, which is also known as Google Drive. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. Launched on April 24, 2012, Google Drive allows users to store files in the cloud, synchronize files across devices, and share files. Google Drive provides 15 GB of cloud storage for free, and link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 6, we have pCloud. pCloud is your personal cloud space where you can store all your files and folders. It has a user-friendly interface that clearly shows where everything is located and what it does. pCloud provides 10 GB of free cloud storage service, and link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 7, we have Mediafire. Mediafire is a simple to use free service that lets you put all your photos, documents, music, and video in a single place so you can access them anywhere and share them everywhere. Mediafire provides 10 GB of cloud storage for free. Link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 8, we have IceDrive. IceDrive is a cloud storage solution that aims to make cloud storage feel like a physical hard drive with what the company calls revolutionary drive mounting software. With IceDrive, you will be able to access your cloud storage just as easily as your on-device hard drive, but without taking up any space. Ice Drive provides 10 GB of free cloud storage. Link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 9, we have Box. Box empowers your teams by making it easy to work with people inside and outside your organization, protect your valuable content, and connect all your apps. Box provides 10 GB of cloud storage for free. Link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 10, we have OneDrive from Microsoft. Microsoft OneDrive is a file hosting service and synchronization service operated by Microsoft as part of its web version of Office. OneDrive provides 5 GB of free cloud storage. Link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 11, we have Amazon Drive. Amazon Drive, formerly known as Amazon Cloud Drive, is a cloud storage application managed by Amazon. The service offers secure cloud storage, file backup, file sharing, and photo printing. Amazon Drive provides 5 GB of cloud storage for free. Link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 12, we have Sync. Sync makes it easy to store, share, and access your files from just about anywhere. Best of all, Sync protects your privacy with end-to-end encryption, ensuring that your data in the cloud is safe, secure, and 100% private. Sync provides 5 GB of cloud storage for free, and link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 13, we have Jumpshare. Jumpshare lets you share your work and ideas through instantly shareable links. Jumpshare combines video recording, screenshot capture, and file sharing all in one app. Jumpshare provides 2 GB of free cloud storage, and link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. At number 14, we have Dropbox. Dropbox is a file hosting service operated by the American company Dropbox, headquartered in San Francisco, California, that offers cloud storage, file synchronization, personal cloud, and client software. Dropbox provides 2 GB of free cloud storage service, and link to this cloud storage service is in the description below. Please let me know in the comments which cloud hosting service do you use and which you are going to use in the future. If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.